Assalamu alaikum students. We continue exercise 1.3 with question number 8 in which we deal with the type 2 equation which we reduce in the quadratic form to find its solution. Let's do it. First of all, we change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13 over 6. To reduce this given equation in quadratic form, we let the first polynomial equal to a different variable. Let 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to y. Taking reciprocal of both sides, we have 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 equal to 1 over y. When we take reciprocal, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator on the both sides. We name this equation 1 for reference. Put the values of both of these two rational fractions into the equation number 1. We have y plus 1 over y is equal to 13 over 6. In denominators we have y and 6. It means the LCM is 6y. Multiplying both sides by the LCM of the denominators, that is 6y. We have 6y multiplied by y plus 6y multiplied 1 over y is equal to 6y multiplied 13 over 6. 6 is cancelled by 6, y is cancelled by y. We have 6y square plus 6 is equal to 13y. Writing in standard form, we have 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we apply the midterm breaking method of factorization, by which first we find the product of the leading coefficient and constant term. 6 6 are 36. Now we find the factors of 36. These are 1 into 36, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Number is repeated. We stop making factors, and the factor which help us to find the solution, that is 4 into 9. So we write as 6y square minus, in place of 13 we write 9. As the last term sign is plus, it means we have to write the sum. So 9 plus 4 y plus 6 is equal to 0. We take 3y common from first two terms. 2y minus 3 is left, and minus 2 is taken common from the last two terms. We have 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Applying right distributive law, we have 3y minus 2 into 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now there are two possibilities. 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. 2y is equal to 3 and y will become 3 is divided by 2 when 2 is taken to the right hand side. Now I'll put the value of y in these equations. We have 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3, and for the second possibility we have 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. By cross multiplication we have 3 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. 3 4s are 12x plus 3 is equal to 2 4s are 8x minus 2. 12x minus 8x is equal to minus 2 minus 3. we have 4x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 4 for the first solution. And for the next possibility, we have 2 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 4x minus 1 by the cross multiplication. By simplification, we have 2 4s are 8x plus 2 is equal to 3 4s are 12x minus 3. 8x, 12x is taken to the left hand side becomes minus 12x is equal to minus 3. 2 is taken to the right hand side becomes minus 2. We have minus 4x is equal to minus 5. Minus 4 when taken to the right hand side becomes denominator. Minus is cancelled by minus. We have x is equal to 5 by 4. Thus, we have solution set, that is plus minus 5 by 4. That's it for the question number 8. Let's do another question. Question number 9 of 1.3 of type 2 equation, in which we reduce this given equation into quadratic form to find the solution. Let's do it. To reduce into quadratic form, we have to let the first rational fraction equal to a variable x minus a over x plus a is equal to y. Taking reciprocal of both sides, we have x plus a over x minus a is equal to 1 over y. Put the values in the given equation. We have y minus 1 over y is equal to 7 over 12. As we have 12 and y in denominator, so by the LCM we multiply both sides. We have 12y multiply y minus 12y multiply 1 over y is equal to 12y multiply 7 over 12. 12 is cancelled by 12, y is cancelled by y. We have 12y square in the next step minus 12 is equal to 7y. Writing in standard form, we take 7y to the left hand side. 12y square minus 7y minus 12 is equal to 0. We apply midterm breaking method of factorization. And for this, we multiply the leading coefficient to the constant term, that is 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144. We have to find the factors of 144, and these are number is repeated, we stop making factors. As the last term sign minus, it means we have to find a pair in which the smaller number is subtracted from the greater. We get 7, and that is 9 and 16. 12y square minus, in place of 7 we put a bracket, y minus 12 is equal to 0. 16, last term sign place here, 16 minus 9. We open the bracket, 12y square minus 16y minus plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we take common from the first two terms, and that is 4y. 3y minus 4 is left by taking common. In the last two terms we take 3 common, and we have 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Applying right distributive law, we have 4y plus 3 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now there are two possibilities. Four y plus 3 is equal to 0, and the second possibility is 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 4. 3y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 by 3. Now we put the value of y in these equations by using this relation. We have x minus a over x plus a is equal to minus 3 by 4. Whereas for the second possibility, x minus a over x plus a is equal to 4 by 3. 4 into x minus a is equal to minus 3 into x plus a. 4x minus 4a is equal to minus 3x minus 3a. 4x plus 3x is equal to minus 3a plus 4a. We have 7x is equal to a. X is equal to a over 7. For the second possibility, we have 3 into x minus a is equal to 4 into x plus a by cross multiplication. 3 is multiplied to the numerator of the left hand side and 4 is multiplied to the denominator of the left hand side. So 3x minus 3a is equal to 4x plus 4a. 3x minus 4x is equal to 4a plus 3a. 3 minus 4 minus x is equal to 7a, and minus 1 is taken to the right hand side. We have 7a over minus 1, x is equal to minus 7a, plus divided by minus. Thus the solution set is minus 7a over 7. That's it for the question number 9 and the type 2 questions.